This new construction with open floor plan is located on a dead-end street in Sanamar School District. As you walk in the front door, you'll be taken back by the modern details. The fireplace creates a warm, inviting presence, with shiplap walls blending a cottage charm and traditional styles. With its clean white painted cabinetry, brushed brass modern lighting, 5-burner stove, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, this kitchen is a dream for any home chef. The beautiful wooden floors accent the extensive millwork around the windows in the main living area. Your visiting guests will be delighted with the endless supply of hot water from the tankless hot water heater. 2 carpeted bedrooms finish off this side of the home and provide plenty of closet space. As you enter the master bedroom, you'll notice the detailed but modern millwork encasing the windows, crown molding, wooden floor, and all painted in a cool grey tone. The ensuite master bathroom offers custom cabinets topped with granite. Enjoy the beautiful views of the outdoors while you are soaking in the tub. This bathroom also has a separate shower and an extensive master closet space with built-in shelving for total convenience. The covered side patio is plumbed for gas and water for an outdoor cooking space. And the rear carport has ample space for 2 vehicles. 18049 Diaz Road is turnkey ready. Call for your private showing today.